You know what's funny? A few years ago, I had no clue influencers actually made real money just by sharing what they love. Now I do it too. And trust me, it's totally possible. Okay, besties, real talk. Influencers don't just post cute pics for fun. Every tag, every link, every collab, that's how they actually get paid. I used to think influencers only made money from ads, but nope. The secret is brand deals, affiliate links, and selling digital products. That's the real money flow. Ever notice your favorite influencer mentioning products? That's not random. Every link they share earns them money, even while they sleep. Here's the truth, babe. Influencers make money by building trust, sharing value, and creating a community that believes in what they do. That's how content turns into income. Thanks for listening, besties. If this helped you see how influencers really make money, hit that follow and share it with a friend who needs a little motivation too. Remember, if they can do it, so can you. See you in the next one.